Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Theros Beyond Death. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Underworld Ragehound, followed by MacLeod's Pilgrim, Elite Instructor, Oread of Mountains Blaze, Underworld Charger, Plummet, Inspire Awe, Final Death, Altar of the Pantheon, Omen of the Forge, Banishing Light, Rise to Glory, Dreamshaper Shaman, Gravebreaker Lamia, Our Land is a Forest, and we have a human soldier token at the back. So again, our land is a forest. Then we have Gravebreaker Lamia, which for 4 and a black, you get a 4/4 enchantment creature with lifelink, and when Gravebreaker Lamia enters the battlefield, search your library for a card, put it into your graveyard, then shuffle your library. And spells you cast from your graveyard cost 1 less to cast. So this is graveyard recursion, or it's support for graveyarding recursion, and it's also helping fuel your graveyard, making sure that you have something in there, because that's really what you want. You're going to want to have extra cards in there that you can then be searching for or be casting through other means and getting them for cheaper because of that last ability. Then the fact that this is a 4/4 with lifelink makes it just a little bit more playable, because that lifelink is going to help you keep going, especially since a lot of graveyard effects are going to be costing you life in addition to some mana. So if you're having to pay, the converted mana cost as life, then you have this lifelink to help soften that blow a little bit. And even if you don't have to pay life for the graveyard costs, having that lifelink to just pad out your life total a little bit more is going to be nice all the same. Next we have Dreamshaper Shaman, followed by Rise to Glory, Banishing Light, Omen of the Forge, Altar of the Pantheon, Final Death, Inspire Awe, Plummet, Underworld Charger, Oread of Mountains Blaze, Elite Instructor, MacLeod's Pilgrim, and Underworld Ragehound. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.